Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how I draw 2-minute life drawings. So that means I've spent like 2 minutes on each pose. Life drawing, or croquis as we call it here at TDA, is an extremely important practice for any artist. It's about strengthening your observational skills. It's about bypassing the brain and what it thinks it knows how to draw, and to connect eyes and the observations with the hand and the application without too much judgment from the mind. So when you're doing longer studies, you're basically helping your hand to learn more anatomy, and that will show when you're doing life drawings, shorter ones. But the knowledge that you're gaining from life drawing will certainly also help your longer works. It helps to breathe life into your drawing, to understand dynamic poses. And life drawing is about life, so drawing dynamic, interesting, bold lines. You want to have time to draw everything, but you just don't. And that's the beauty of it. You have to make the choice. What's important, what isn't important. Drawing an outline that's perfect. First of all, as I just said, you don't have time for it. Second of all, it will only kill the life in your drawing. So notice how that I'm spending a lot of energy actually also drawing inside. Use soft materials such as charcoal, or as I'm doing here, sepia. A soft graphite pencil will do as well. It just helps you get something on paper immediately. Don't spend time worrying about things. Have fun. That's what it's about. Do you want to seriously improve your classical drawing skills in an immersive and creative environment? In the TDA classical course, everything is about drawing, and you'll learn the basic principles of classical drawing with a strong focus on the human body. To learn more, follow the link in the description below and follow us on Instagram. And also remember, keep drawing and have fun.